Today we are looking at the 2025 Cadillac XT6 in Radiant Red. This 6-seater SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we jump on into the interior, the first thing we'll highlight are these beautiful maple sugar leather seats. The second row contains heating, while the front row contains heating and ventilation. This maple sugar theme is followed throughout the entire interior, all the way to this microfiber sueded headliner. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, lane assist, and more. It is also equipped with Cadillac Super Cruise with an OnStar subscription. As we jump on in, behind the steering wheel to the right are your windshield wiper controls, and to the left, your headlight controls. Behind this, your gauge cluster, as well as a screen in the center, displaying things such as vehicle information and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. Below this, your climate control settings, as well as controls for heated and ventilated seats in the front row. The center column contains your gear shifter, your traction control, and drive mode, as well as more media controls. The center console offers loads of room for storage of belongings, as well as 2 USB charging ports, an SD card tray, and a wireless charging pad. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find power controls for windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings and one of many Bose Performance Series speakers. Here you'll find your controls for your parking brake, heads-up display, and more. Up top, you'll find a digital rearview mirror that can be toggled on and off with this switch right here. As we take a look at the exterior, since this is the sport trim, you'll notice these 12-spoke alloy wheels with the red brake calipers, as well as mainly black exterior trim options, such as these windowsills and roof rails. You'll also notice that the rear windows come tinted. As we head to the back, with the touch of a button, we can release our power liftgate, showcasing the storage, which can be extended with these power buttons on the right side. The buttons on the left also lower the second row of seating. As we jump into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with captain seating, plenty of legroom, heated seat controls, as well as climate zone controls, 2 USB charging ports, and cup holders. The third row of seating also offers USB-C charging, as well as cup holders on both sides. Look up and you'll see that beautiful panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight into the entire cabin. And that is the 2025 Cadillac XT6 in Radiant Red, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.